Aao Behen self-love Karein.
Hello, my dear Elizas. Welcome to the very first episode of our show, Aao Behen Self Love Karein. Guys, today is not about me being the CEO of Elizen Beauty, but it's about the me, and real me. Today, I'm going to show you my real side, and today, for the first ever episode, I am going to show my cooking skills. Yes, guys, haha. I'm going to show you the chef Rinjna. Guys, I've heard that cooking is therapy. Yes, and therapy is best for self-love. And to join me, we will have our very own Sakhi, the sassy, the badass, Glossy. And guys, today we are going to cook something healthy because self-love means taking care of your body with healthy food. And so, I'm going to cook or show you the magic of my hands by making soya champ scratch from Nutella.
Hold up. No ring light? No glam? Just onions and soya chop. Is this Elysian Beauty or Elysian Bojan?
Guys, she's too much. So guys, let's start. First of all, as a chef, I'm going to show you the ingredients. So the first ingredient is the Nutri or Nutella, and we're going to soak it for an hour in water. So Chef Ranjana on the duty. So guys, let's cook the Nutella first. So quantity should be according to your requirement. So I'm making it for myself only, so few one. So quantity is this much, and we will soak it for an hour. Alright.
Glossy. Iconic. Irresistible. And deeply confused. Soya chop? Girl, are you okay?
Because self-love starts from stomach, darling. Relax, ma'am. Soya champ hai. Full healthy and full of love. For me and by me. This air-fried soya champ recipe is my go-to recipe when I'm having good time, when I'm having heartbreaks, when I'm having bad time. These are the food like I don't need anyone. I need only this soya champ. So tell me, what is your go-to healing and stress healing food? Write down in the comment section. Now, next step, we are going to boil the soaked Nutri or Nutrella. I should wear a chef coat, right? It will suit me. Tell me how it will look. Which color should I wear related to my gloss? So we are going to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's wait for it. What? Guys, सबके लाइफ में एक फेज आता है जब आप दूसरों पे डिपेंड होते हो हैप्पीनेस के लिए. मेरी लाइफ में भी था, बट नॉट टुडे. आई एम एन इंडिपेंडेंट गर्ल. I love myself, I pamper myself because I'm an financially independent girl. I don't need anyone to celebrate me. I celebrate me totally. And you should too. Because you are your main character of your own story, not anyone else.
This is what main character energy looks like. Hair in a bun, spices in the pan, and zero tolerance for nonsense.
Now let's extract the excess water from these Nutri or Nutrella.
Honestly,
So let's
even
do it.
this chop has more chemistry than my ex.
So guys, about me, I like all the Indian cuisines. Like India is a very diverse country and you have wonderful tasty cuisine all over India. And to be specific, I'm Punjabi, so I like kurkuri bhindi and sarson ka saag, makke ki roti and all. But for other states, I like litti chokha from Bihar, and I also like Rajasthani thali like dal bati churma, dhokla, thepla. I've tried a lot of things and I love this. And write down in the comment section which Indian state food do you like the most, and if you like different styles of food or different cuisine from India, write down all. So about Glossy, she might like soya champ made by me and only me. Now we will mash the soya chunks and add suji in it to bind it. You can add atta, maida, besan, anything you like. So it is a healthier version, so I prefer to add suji. I have added suji, so let's smash it. This is the crushed Nutella or mashed Nutella, like Glossy has crushed his ex. Okay, now we will create the marination. Like we will grind the onion, tomato, chili, anything you want to add in the mixie, and then we will add it to the champ for the marinating effect, and we will keep it for an hour so that marination seeps in the soya champ. All right, so has been mixed by the mixie. Like you have mixed the happiness in my life, guys. So guys, I have added salt, pepper, haldi, and other masala that you want to add, and I'm going to mix it. So guys, let's do it. So this is the batter. So guys, are you ready? Our tasty healthy food is ready. So let's go.
Whether you're cooking chop or cooking dreams, just remember, you're worth the effort. You're not just a queen, sis. You're the whole thali. See you next time, behno. Aao self-love Karein. Every damn day. Stay tuned for next episode.